Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play The Sims 4 on Xbox. To begin your Sims journey, first ensure your Xbox console is powered on and connected to a stable internet connection. The Sims 4 is primarily a digital download, so you will access it directly through the Xbox Store. While many features are offline, an Xbox Live Gold subscription is necessary for certain online functionalities and to ensure you can download the game. This is the essential first step. Once you have your console ready, navigate to the Xbox Store and search for The Sims 4. After purchasing, initiate the download. The game typically requires about 50 gigabytes of storage, so make sure you have enough free space. Once the download and installation are complete, you can find The Sims 4 in your Games and Apps library. Simply select it to launch the game and start creating your virtual world. Playing The Sims 4 on Xbox uses a straightforward controller layout. You will use the left stick to move your camera around the vibrant world, while the right stick allows you to zoom in and out, giving you different perspectives. The A button is your primary interaction tool for selecting objects and engaging with your Sims. To cancel an action or close a menu, simply press the B button. It is quite intuitive once you get started. To truly enhance your Sims 4 experience, consider exploring the wide array of expansion packs and game packs available. These add-ons introduce exciting new content, from new careers and skills to entirely new worlds and gameplay mechanics. You can browse and purchase these additional packs directly through the Xbox Store, allowing you to customize your game and keep your Sims' lives fresh and engaging for many hours of fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.